Hi guys, this is Shazia. Welcome back to my channel. So the latest videos you must have watched were Iman and Arman's birthday. I haven't been vlogging quite a lot lately. Since December, I've basically not vlogged anything apart from the birthdays, and the previous vlogs were of Bodrum, which you must have seen. So yes, I hope you enjoyed the kids' birthday vlogs. I couldn't do quite a lot, but whatever I've done, they were happy with it. And it's still Arman's birthday month. He had another little beautiful surprise. It was his holidays as well. So me and Iman and Arman have come to the beautiful Antalya again. Yes, I know. This is my fourth time, but the kids' second time. This was just a quick kind of decision. We saw a deal and we just went for it. Plus I needed a lot of rest, as after surgery you need rest. So yes, I've had a surgery. I don't know if I mentioned that before. So that's the whole point of the rest I've been having for the past 2 months. I've had a neck spine surgery. We'll be vlogging my experience of the surgery, and but that will be coming in the upcoming videos. But today we are here in Antalya with the kids. Just got ready, just gonna go out. Past 2 days I've just been in the hotel. We've not done much, so today I thought, let's take the kids out to the old bazaar on the bus. So it's a mission, it's a long day, so hopefully the kids enjoy it. So yeah. Hello. We've got the babies over here. Aww.
Bilgisayar var ama 15-20 lira bir alyans aldım.
Souvenir shop. So we're going right down, down the hill, and there's loads of little shops here, and making carpet.
Hello.
Hello. These are soaps, different kind of scents, organic, handmade. So we have reached the marine.
Sayın hayırlı işler sayın. Ne yapıyorsun? Sana da işler. Ne yapıyorsun? Köle ben bu.
We have reached the beautiful marine. Going on that lift to the top. I decided to go through these stair sides and try and see the view. Had a little rest here, and now off we go. There's more steps. Reached the top here. There's beautiful views, the whole city. original flooring to God knows how many centuries. There's flowers, there's stones. Whoa. And there's a shop here. Everyone's trying to bargain here. He wants to buy tops, but he didn't bring his money, so he wants me to buy them as a birthday gift. How many birthday gifts do you want?
It's only a birthday gift.
I've reached the top of the central bazaar. So we need to go that way. This way, guys.
Allergic.
The guy was trying to sell him on some flowers. Teddy bear doggy. So here's a statue at the central. Oh, the dog was barking at the cat. Okay. Such a cute water tap. Water fountain or something. It's dedicated to Ruhana Fatiha. Ruhuna. Here it says Old Bazaar. So this is the main point of the Old Bazaar. And we're going that way. There's a water tap thingy here as well. That's nice. They've got them everywhere. So we're back on the main. We came from that side down. We just need to go straight down because the kids want some drink and some food. These furs, they're foxes. And one on this side. It's a coat shop. To the kids today, I'm a very bad navigator. But we are in the Old Bazaar, so we can go from anyway. Just because I can't remember which way we need to go. It's alright, as long as they enjoy themselves. Guys, I think so, it's that way. We need to cross over. Reach those gates. Again. There's a cat there again.
I'm looking at that guy.
Somebody else vlogging as well. So we're a bit tired now, so we're going to have a little rest here. But yes, I'm happy that today I have been their tour guide. So our dinner is at Popeyes, Armand's favourite. Food is here. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Armand wanted some gravy. Here you go. I have to go back that way because we went this way after eating. But Mark and Talia is this way. Aren't I the best navigator? Why?
Because you go on and on and on about how many different times you've come to this city, how you know everything in the world, and then when it comes to actually showing us, you're like, oh, I don't know.
Well, sometimes I do forget. I'm human, but I haven't got you lost anywhere. Look, I asked very nicely to people where it is, and they've told me the directions. So what do you have to say? Did I get you lost anywhere?
Only a couple times.
Only
Like 5 times.
But then I rerouted you back. Navigation does that as well.
You shouldn't have to reroute us.
But navigation does that as well sometimes. If there's traffic on one side, It reroutes you to the other side. That's what I've been doing.
You made us walk back.
Anyway, it's raining now, so it's gone a bit cool because it went really hot before. So hopefully it doesn't stop pouring, because past 2 days it has been raining a lot. That's the reason we didn't get out as well. So hopefully the upcoming days stay nice and warm and dry.
Şöyle güzel bir akşam yemeği.
Decorated galette ice cream. Still finding our way down to Antalya. Beautiful lighting. Anyone for slippers? Lots and lots of slippers. Night slippers, pool slippers. Slipper shop. We have reached our destination. It's looking beautiful. Love the colors.
Yoğun bakım süreci oldu. Ailemin ilk ve tek evladıyım.
You're gonna love it when you go inside.
If I don't,
Then that's your problem, isn't it? Look at the Valentine's decoration on. I like the decoration here. No? Yes? Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
there's Mac as well.
He's sitting there and he's got some food in his bag and he's eating it.
What a guy.
He's been munching on that for ages whilst we're here in H&M looking around. Oh, there he is. Iman loves book, and this is a special edition. She's already read the book, but this is a special edition. But the only problem is they've only got it in Turkish.
Because I tell you, every country's like, through the German version,
Yeah.
like their covers are different.
So can you open it and show it what's it called again about it? Oh, she loves that. So the only option is she can buy it and just put it in a bookshelf and not read it.
Collector's edition.
Yeah.
Because I've read it, I've got it. If I reread sometimes, but it'll be in my.
But this is just for the cover.
And
She
has
loves
this-
it.
Oh my gosh, I think I have to get it.
So it's 650 liras, which is around about 17 pounds. We don't want about the money. It's just that we can't read it.
No, but I've got the book at home.
So then yeah.
That's what I mean. Like, it's not like, oh, I can't read this. It's like a special edition.
So let's see if she buys it. I think so. She will buy
I'm
it.
gonna buy it.
One's very excited, and you can see she's
I
all
get
blushing
so
and red,
red.
all because of the book. We're looking for Defecto, yeah?
We bought last time in. Where did we go last time? Not Mum.
Bodrum?
Bodrum. And I got shirts from there.
So beautiful flowers.
No, look, it matches.
We have finished from the mall. I'm going to the bus station now. This way, guys.
Please let us eat. Stop this.
Any food?
Because I'm going to starve you. Already had your food.
That's trippy, Armin. Look at that.
So we have reached the hotel. So we're staying at Ascalara Resort. Reached the hotel, and I love this little point of outside. I like this little well. Yes, I really like this. So just gonna go in. Someone's waiting for me. Yes guys, we've just managed to get into the room.
Well, not everyone.
Well, not everyone, yeah. Arman's still outside, he was being silly. He got off on the 3rd floor, we're on the 4th. And he thought we were going to wait for him, but we didn't.
I closed the door on him.
She closed the lift door on him, and now we don't know, either he's just outside waiting to knock on the door, or actually he's waiting for the lift, because the lift takes a lot of time. So yeah, it's his own fault. So yes, too tired now. All day in the bazaar. The kids looked around, they bought a few things, which I will show in one of my next vlogs, because I'm really tired. I'm gonna get changed, go downstairs and have a cup of tea, although we've got tea here as well, but it's kind of nice, you know, if you go down. And I'm sure Arman's gonna have a sandwich or something as well. So yes, if you like the video, do press the like button, do subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Arman's banging the door. And do share it as well. So till next time. You haven't broken the hanger, it comes off. So till next time, take care, bye.